Well guys, I would show you the finished result of my Civic, but it decided that it actually wants to freaking die. But we have a new issue, and it's this. This thing is completely fucked. It wasn't, we weren't able to, get it out, so we had to cut it off, but the whole metal part, like right here, is soft. Meaning, in track, if I have a little bit of a hit, I might rip it off. It's freaking rust. Fucking my number one enemy. Gotta love my life. We basically had to fix this part, but as we removed it, come over. This is the place where it's supposed to be. This whole left side is completely fucked. I'll be honest with you. And what's funny is that in 2020, I paid 1,000 euros for this to be fixed, which, it kind of did. They kind of tried to do something, as you can see from the walls, but as you can see, it's not enough. And there's a hole here, there's a hole coming out here. I can literally punch a hole inside my freaking Civic. And I don't think it's really worth spending that much money on fixing this body. So probably it's the end of my car, of this project. So it's kind of depressing to know that. It's really difficult to know what to do. So at the moment, I'm gonna look for a new body, but it's probably gonna take me a while to get it. I got my Civic in 2020. I had it for about almost 6 years, and through all out those years, I didn't get to enjoy it much because I had to, send it to the repair shop to fix the rust. I had to repaint it because originally it was black. I'll probably send a photo to Nedas to show you. And it had a D15 B2 engine, which is 66 kilowatts, and it was burning oil all over the place. I couldn't go without a liter of oil in my car. And the idea was to freaking swap in a D15 B7, but I sold it because I got a D16 Z6. Now let's come over here. Which unfortunately is sitting in front of my Civic. And it's burnt its valve. So the first swap took me a year to get into this car, and I got to enjoy the car for about 1.5 years, and then it burnt its valve, and then I had to buy a new engine, which was the B16A. Now, it doesn't burn oil, and the bearings are new, the oil pump is new, but I didn't get to enjoy it. So the braking process is done, but couldn't get to enjoy it. And throughout those years, I did have some fun while the D16 was in it, and on the track, in car events, and just enjoying it generally, using it as daily. It also got me through one winter, only one. I know it's a sin in the Honda world, but it had to be done. I was going through a 9-month draft in the military. I did not have a way to go back home, and I did not want to stay in the barracks. So yeah, there's really not much I can say about it. I just really love this car, and I will love it, and it's just sad that I have to make a hard, difficult decision in my life right now. So yeah, it's kind of sad. I'm probably gonna shed a tear at my home. So yeah, really not much to say there anymore.